I remember the first time that I did an opiate. I never thought that this would be the beginning of a very long, very patient relationship with that substance. Some people think that you just find yourself along the way and everything's fine. Or that you just knew deep down that you just weren't the right gender. I always knew. Inside though, I hated myself. I hated that side of me. I wanted to love it. I wanted to embrace it, but I just couldn't. But when you take an opiate, that doesn't matter. I was just high. And chasing that high kept me from thinking about it. It is a series of compromises.